How to convert video file to audio file on Android. So if you want to convert video file to audio file on your Android, then what you need to do is just simply go with your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search for convert video file to audio, or just simply search for convert video file to MP3. And here you will have all of the websites that will provide you to convert your video to your MP3. So simply tap on any one of these, or you will have a lot of applications on your Play Store also. You can simply go and install any application that you're comfortable with. Now you just need to simply choose your file. You can simply tap on allow while using the application and tap on from device, or from your Google Drive, from OneDrive or URL or Dropbox. So I'll just simply choose from my device and tap on media picker and then select your video file. Once you've selected, you just need to simply tap on convert and it will start converting. Now you will have the download option. You just need to simply go with the drop down and tap on save to device, or you can also go with your QR code and you can scan the QR code to download the file to the mobile device. So I'll just simply tap on save to device. And that's it. On the upper side, you will have file downloaded. Tap on open and you'll have your audio file. So that's how you can convert your video file to audio file on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.